BacklotCars is a dealer-to-dealer wholesale marketplace. So we sell cars in between car dealers and now finance companies, rental car companies, any type of business-to-business secondary marketplace for automobiles.
It was really revolutionary at the time because the types of inventory that was trading through BacklotCars was never actually transacted online. And we created a lot of these unlocks that allowed the process to move online.
So the biggest niche that we were trying to fill when we started Backlot was there was a lot of inefficiencies in the space. So dealers would have to go to a physical auction. It was typically a liquidation event once or twice a week. It took a lot of time. You had to move the cars there. Our vision was, how do we start a more efficient process, and how do we make a more efficient process across all spectrum of cars?
Anyone who knows Justin well knows there's one thing about Justin, and that he doesn't like being told no. Justin's the type of guy who, when you tell him no, you can't do that, he goes and does it, and he does it 1,000 times over. And I think in the context of this award, that's what really sets him apart.
Justin has always been good since he was about 3 years old of not taking no for an answer. So, he's plenty of practice there. But I would say if Justin got anything from me, it would have been the virtue and the value of hard work.
Being in the business and growing up around the business really gave us the scope and necessary, industry know-how to pull something like this off.
Justin's helped guide a community of entrepreneurs in Kansas City in a lot of different ways. I think the first is inspiration. We started with nothing, and his leadership has created something that was, one of the largest exits in Kansas City history.
Not only am I very proud of Justin Davis, I have a lot of admiration for him for what he's done with the company, but I guess whether skeptic was yes or no answer, yes, I was a little skeptical at first.
Congrats, Justin, on winning the Entrepreneur of the Year. It is good to reflect on what you've built and what you've done, and that you created something pretty spectacular out of nothing. And the number of lives, especially our employees, that you changed by really pushing on this idea and passing on it for such a long time. And you deserve some recognition. This is a great way to receive it.
Justin, congratulations, and we love you, and words don't express how proud and how we feel about you.
Justin, congratulations on winning Kansas City Entrepreneur of the Year. It's well deserved. You're somebody that I've enjoyed working with over the past decade and building and growing with. Couldn't be happier for you. It's very well deserved.